Well, giving and receiving surprises is common nowadays. Here I would like to talk about which made me glad, and it was given by my elder brother. Actually, last year I was in the 12th class. So I needed to clear the exams with good grades in order to get admission in the best university for my higher study. At that time, my brother promised me to give a surprise gift if I would clear the exams with flying colors. As I love surprises, I burnt the midnight oil to get the first division in senior secondary exams. With God's grace, it happened, and I stood first in the class. After declaring my result, my brother was very happy. He gifted me a box titled "Open Me, a surprise is waiting for you." When I opened it, I received the key to the bike. Initially, I couldn't understand what that was. Then I immediately run towards the backyard of my home. Honestly speaking, I was a bolt from the blue after watching a brand new bike in front of me. My happiness had no bound, and I felt on top of the world. Besides this, I was on the verge of tears. I hugged my brother tightly because I was not expecting such a great surprise. By seeing my happiness, he felt inner complacency. For the next few days, he taught me all ins and outs of driving, and now I'm good at it. Overall, this was a great surprise that made me happy, and it was an electrifying experience for me ever.
Hey learners, I hope you did your practice with this video. If you are seeing value in this video, make sure you are giving it a thumbs up. It really makes a big difference. Thank you.